Hello everyone, welcome you all and I hope you all doing well. So in this video, we'll continue our discussion with multiple and submultiple angles. So in the previous video, we have discussed about the sin2A formula, cos2A, tan2A and cot2A formulas. So in this video, we are going to see about sin3A, cos3A, tan3A and cot3A. If you have not watched the video of sin2A, cos2A, tan2A and cot2A, the link of the video I will provide it in the description box. First watch the video, then you will understand about this. Okay, so now let's discuss about the sin3A. So what is the formula of sin3A? Okay, so how to find the value of sin3A? Let us see. Sin3A, so look, sin3A can be written as, this sin3A can I write as 2A plus A. Okay, means what I'm writing? I'm writing as sin3A is equal to 3A, I'm writing as 2A plus A. 2A plus A will be 3A. So in the place of 3A, I'm writing 2A plus A. So now if you see, it is in the form sin of A plus B. So what is the formula of sin A plus B? We know sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, so sin A plus B formula I have applied. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now look here. So in the previous video, we have derived the expression for sin 2A and cos 2A. So I will apply here. So what is the formula of sin 2A? Sin 2A is nothing but 2 sin A cos A. And what about cos 2A? Cos 2A also we have seen the formula as 1 minus 2 sin square A. I will use these two formulas here. So what it will become, you see, in the place of sin 2A, I am writing as 2 sin A cos A. Okay, now this cos A as it is. This cos A as it is plus. So in the place of this cos 2A, I am writing this formula, that is 1 minus 2 sin square A and the sin A as it is. I hope you understand this. What I've done, I've substituted the values of sin 2A and cos 2A here. Now simplify what you get. So this 2 sin A, cos into cos will be cos square A. Okay. Now here also you multiply. 1 into sin A is sin A minus 2 sin square A into A will be 2 sin cube A. So what you get, you see, what we will do here, see, cos square is there now. So from the identity, we have one more identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. So in the place of this cos square A, can I write 1 minus sin square A? So what it will become, see, this 2 sin A as it is. In the place of cos square A, I am writing 1 minus sin square A plus this sin A as it is minus 2 sin cube A. So what you get, multiply again. 2 sin A into 1 will be 2 sin A. Okay. Now plus into minus, minus 2 sin A into sin square, what you will get, 2 sin cube A. Okay. This plus sin A as it is minus 2 sin cube A. So what you get, you see, 2 sin A plus sin A. What you get, 3 sin A minus 2 sin cube A minus 2 sin cube A. What you will get, minus 4 sin cube A. So this is the formula of sin 3A. Sin 3A is nothing but 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Now let us see what is the formula of cos 3A. We have completed the sin 3A formula. Now let us see what is the cos 3A formula. Okay. So now this again same how we have find sin 2A. Similar way I'm finding the cos 3A. Same 3A can be written as cos of 2A plus A. Okay. 3 can be written as 2A plus A. So again it is a form of cos A plus B. What is the formula of cos A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, similarly I am applying here cos 2A formula. Okay, we discuss about cos 2A formula. What is cos 2A formula? 2 cos square A minus 1. In previous video we have derived this. What is cos 2A formula? 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, now this cos A as it is minus. Here also sin 2A can be written as what? First I am writing this sin A. Okay, now this sin 2A can be written as 2 sin A cos A. This also we have seen in the previous video. So now multiply what you get. See, 2 cos square into cos A. It will be 2 cos cube A minus 1 into A minus cos A. Okay, so multiply this with this and this with this. Similarly here also minus sin into, it will become what? 2 sin square A cos A. Okay, now similarly what we will do here, this 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2. Similarly in the place of sin square A, how we have written in the sin 2A, can I write in the place of sin square as 1 minus cos square A. Okay, from the identity we have written sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A, and this cos A as it is. Now multiply what you get, which is equals to 2 cos cube A minus cos A. Okay, now minus 2 into 1 2 and cos A, what will get? Minus 2 cos A. Okay, so understood? Minus into plus, minus 2 ones are 2, 2 into cos A, cos A. Similarly minus into minus plus 2 into cos A, 2 cos A, 2 cos A into cos square, it will be what? 2 cos cube A. Okay, so now what you got? You see, now 2 cos cube A plus 2 cos cube A, what will give? 4 cos cube A. Cos A minus 2 cos A, what will get? Minus 3 cos A. So this is the formula of cos 3A. Cos 3A is nothing but 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. This is about cos 3A. Now let us see what is tan 3A. Now cos 3A is also completed. Now let us see the value of tan 3A. Okay, how to find tan 3A? Okay, now we have one formula from compound angle, that is tan A plus B plus C. So what is the formula of tan A plus B plus C? It is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A, tan B, tan C divided by 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. So this is the formula of tan of A plus B plus C. Okay, we have learned in this in compound angles. So now what we have to do, put A equal to B equal to C. Means what? In the place of B, in the place of C, we have to put A. So what it becomes? C tan A. In the place of B also we have to put A. In the place of C also we have to put A. So what it become? You see, tan A plus tan A plus tan A minus tan A tan A tan A. So in the place of B and C, what we have to put? We have to put A only. So it will become tan A minus tan A minus tan A tan A. So what do you get? A plus A will be tan 3A, which is equals to tan A plus tan A plus tan A. It is 3 tan A minus tan A into tan A into tan A. It will be tan cube A. Okay, divided by 1 minus C. Tan square A, tan square A, tan square A, nothing but 3 tan square A. So this is nothing but the tan 3A formula. What is tan 3A formula? 3 tan A minus tan cube A divided by 1 minus 3 tan square A. Similarly, we can derive cot 3A also, same formula. Cot 3 also same, just replace tan with cot, you will get same formula. Okay, cot 3A also same, that is 3 cot A minus cot cube A divided by 1 minus 3 cot square A. So I hope you understand about sin 3A, cos 3A, tan 3A and cot 3A. Cot 3A is same as tan 3A. That's why I am not doing it. Okay, thank you.